Hi there! In this video, we're going to test and see if we can still create a symlink in the root of macOS Monterey. To start, I'm going to check the version of my system to make sure that we are running Monterey. And as you can see, we're on 12.1, which is Monterey. You can see it here. And now let's first give it a test and try to create a directory in the root and see if it's still not working. So if I do make dir my dir, I'm going to get the read-only file system message. So I cannot create it, and I'm going to list it just to make sure that we don't see a directory called my dir there, right? It is not here. All right, so to create the link, the first thing we need to do is create a target for it. So I'm going to do that in my home directory, which is users admin, and I'm going to make a directory called my dir. I'm going to list it just to make sure that we can see it here. My dir, and it is in users admin. So the next thing I need to do is create the synthetic.conf file. So I'm going to do nano etsy synthetic.conf. And here I'm going to give the name of my symlink, so it's going to be my dir. Make sure you hit tab. If you do spaces, it's not going to work. And I'll give it path to my target, which will be users admin my dir. And I can go ahead and save this. And now that we have this ready, I can go ahead and reboot my system. Alright, now that we're back from the reboot, let's take a look and see if that worked. So we're going to list our root directory, and there you go. As you can see, it's still working. We have my dir symlink that points to my home directory target, my dir that I created. And we can test it. I'm just going to touch a file in there. I'll call it test file. And it seems like the file got created successfully. And if I try to list it, let's see if it works, because before it didn't work, you couldn't list it from here. So my dir, same as before, it doesn't work, so you have to cd into it. And then if you list it, you'll be able to see the file. So that didn't change. Okay, and you can see the file here, or if you want, you can also access it from here, right? If we go to folder and go to my dir, and there you go, we can see our test file, and we can even try to create a file in here, or a folder, easier that way. Test folder, we have it here, and if I list it, we can see that the folder got created. So as we can see, this is still working. And just to confirm, make sure we are still running on Monterey 12.1. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please click on the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe for my channel.